What is going on, my friends, and welcome back once again to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright, so I got something really cool to share with you guys today. Now, one of our subscribers, Jay-Z, sent me a link to a sphere sighting that happened in Poland in 2018. It happened in Jabice, Poland in 2018. Now, this recording is a little shaky, but we do have some moments where we can get a clear look at this sphere. Now, what I want to do is compare it to another sighting that we had earlier this year in January. Now, it was uploaded to YouTube through Tic-Toc, and the Tic-Toc user's name is CesarMP. Now, he is a pilot, maybe for Commercial Airlines, or he was just flying over Colombia when either him or his co-pilot took a recording of this sphere. Now, they caught this thing in great detail, like every edge of it, it was the greatest sphere sighting that I've seen. Now, another thing that is strange, his Tic-Toc channel is gone, shut down. So I don't know if he got in trouble for posting the recording. I don't know if there's too many people were spamming his channel, or if the powers that be shut it down for posting the picture of proof. Another thing is this craft matches the Poland sighting to a T. It appears to be the exact same craft. Now, I've got video to prove it. I've got two videos to prove it. The first video is going to be the one that we saw that went viral, CesarMP's sphere sighting, and then the second video is the one that Jay-Z sent me. Now, it comes from a YouTube channel observation group, and it takes place over Poland, in Jabice, Poland. So check it out, and then after the video, we'll have a comparison of the two, so I can show you that these crafts are the same, in my opinion, but I need your opinion. Alright guys, here we go. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Alright, so I have a subscriber, Bradley W., who brought this to my attention from CesarMP, Tic-Toc user. Caught this video. He's a commercial airline pilot, and he recorded this. And it is one of the best examples of a sphere that I've ever seen. Check out the detail of this object. Now, it's obviously got some kind of anti-gravity technology that keeps this craft aloft. There's no wings, there's no thrust. It's just flying through the air next to this commercial airliner. So pretty amazing. Alright guys, so this next video comes from YouTube channel Observation Group. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare the sightings. I've got pictures of both sightings, and we're going to compare them together. Now, another thing that I've noticed is that we're having a lot of return sightings. We're having the same UFO caught, years apart. Now, I've come across that several times, and I keep pretty good records on the UFOs that we capture, and they keep, popping up. So it's kind of like matching the sightings from different years. Now, we've got two spheres that are rotating around each other. Why are they doing that? Maybe it's a form of communication or a transfer of knowledge. I'm not sure on that. Now, on the bottom right here, we've got the CesarMP sighting, and then on the left, we have the Poland sighting. Notice that they both have, this black wedged or V-shaped pattern on the front. Now, could that be sensors? Could it be something as simple as a windshield? I don't know. I just know they both have it. Now, another thing that this craft utilizes is it appears to be, and here, look, both V-shaped pattern again. Now, these crafts both seem to have anti-gravity technology or anti-gravity technology, where they don't need wings or propellers or anything that we traditionally know to achieve flight. So that is amazing within itself. Or do we have this ability? Could this object be ours? Could this sphere or craft be ours? Or does it come from somewhere else? Well, we say somewhere else. Wonder if that's not the case. Wonder if the case is that this craft and whoever it is aboard it don't come from somewhere else. Wonder if they come from here. Wonder if they have a post or a stronghold or a fort, however you want to say it, here on Earth. Where could they hide something like that? I come up with two places: the bottom of the ocean or the backside of the moon. Two places that was really hard for us to monitor. Now, we all know we've only explored a small portion of the ocean. Maybe that is a good thing for them. Maybe they're at the deepest part of the ocean, a place where we can't get to. It seems like a good place to hide. What do you think? All right, so coming up right here, I'm going to have a really good comparison of the two videos. On the right is the Colombia, and everywhere else is Poland. Look at the pictures. It is the same craft. I mean, it speaks for itself. Guys, so give me your opinion on this. Tell me what you think. What you think about it. It's definitely the same craft. We are definitely having return visits. Started out in Poland in 2018, and then we caught it again in Colombia in 2020. So what was it doing for those 2 years? Where did it go? Are they just recording? Are they observing? How large do you think that this sphere is? What do you think the size is on this craft? Is it a scout? Is it part of a bigger vessel? Are all the sightings connected? Are they all the same, maybe from the same species? You know how we'll watch NASA or SpaceX when we're watching them on video, and then we'll see these circular objects off in the background. I wonder if these are the same ones. Are these the same crafts that are kind of lurking in the background, so to speak? Kind of spying on humanity to see what we're doing. What do you think about that? How do you feel about that? Do you think that these could be the related objects? In my opinion, I do. These objects have been seen seen around the world. I've got photos of spheres in a lot of different places in a lot of different countries. And so, I think they are, so to say, like spies sent out to gather information and to report back, so to speak. What do you think about that? I mean, it looks like a perfect spy vessel to me, but I don't know. Everything's science fiction till it's not. Let me show you some other examples of spheres. Right here, believe it or not, this photograph was taken on Mars, right at Mount Sharp. This is from a Gigapan image. And this one appears to be just sitting stagnant there. Maybe if there's nothing to report, they just go motionless. I don't know, just a theory. And this next picture right here was taken in Medellin, Colombia, of a sphere sighting. Now I have videos on every one of these images that I'm showing you. So if you want to go through my video, and you can watch the video on this image. Now this one right here was taken in Algeria. It's a large white sphere that was sitting above a residential home. And it was very interesting. So these spheres are everywhere. Right here was taken in California. Notice the V-shaped emblem on the front of it there. Could it be just the same as or different class of spheres, the one that we've been seeing? And this last photograph was taken in Kosovo of a hiking expedition. And after the photo was taken, they went back and was looking through their pictures, and they saw this, and they noticed this gold or copper sphere just kind of lurking, monitoring in the background. Now I've heard that these spheres, they like to follow people, or they'll sit and monitor, areas or groups, or things like that. Now that may be true or it may not. It's just something that I've heard. So what is your opinion on this? What do you think about all these different sightings? It's like they just sit back and they're kind of like the world's monitors. They're just there watching. We don't know if they're watching or not. They sit way above. A lot of times when they're photographed, they're sitting still, not moving, just kind of like set in stone. And then other times they're caught from aircrafts, like a passing plane or helicopter, and they're moving on. Anti-gravity technology at its best, just cutting a trail right through the sky. Where are they going? Do they have certain destinations that they go to and watch, or or is it just random activity? I don't know. Could this be like a precursor to an invasion? Could this be Big Brother monitoring monitoring us, you know, the world's police, the world's monitor, so to say. I don't know. All these are just theories, things that I think about in this crazy mind that I have. And I guess that's pretty much all I've got for today, you know. Something to think about. I hope you enjoyed the video. And give me your opinion on what you believe we got going on here. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You know, we're increasing in subscribers, so we're growing, and that's a good thing. Please donate if you can. You know, I've got PayPal and Patreon, and everything that is donated to the channel goes towards the channel. And I guess that's all I got for today. But before I go, I told somebody I'd give him a shout out. So I want to give a shout out to Bradley W. and his fiance. Guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.